Welcome to another fantastic episode of Drunk Mom Reviews. What are you thinking about right now? You would love to get a website where you could just literally think of anything and it happens at the most affordable price where your husband doesn't even care because it's so damn affordable and chic and cute at the same time. Guess what? It's called Doba. That's right, you heard me, Doba. Doba, it has it all from furniture to items that make you look absolutely gorgeous. And I'll get to that in a minute. They have it all, people. They even have cat towers. Seriously? You shout out what you need and Doba's got it at all the prices you can't beat. I bet you're wondering if I have any dope items to show you that I got. Hell yes, I do. But first, I bet you are wondering, what makes Doba stand out above the others? Well, I will tell you. Doba is a drop shipping platform. That means they bridge the gap from like wholesalers and retailers or retailers and wholesalers. So you find all sorts of unique stuff you will not find anywhere else. For all you aspiring and you establishing e-commerce people. So if you already have a store on Amazon and eBay and those kind of stores, if you already have that storefront, you could just put it onto Doba. And they have been doing this since 2002. So Doba knows what it is talking about and what it is doing. So now, let's get into what I got. How cute is this, people? And it is adjustable for your furry friends. Okay? There's 4 different sizes. It's like 5 and 8 and 11 and 13 of you got those big doggies. But when they lean down in the bowl and they're like, it hurts their spine and neck, people. So this way, they just shoot out. So it's a perfect spine as they eat. It comes in 2 colors. It's like, I got the wood color, people. And then it also comes in a gorgeous black. My little doggy loves it so much. She's on the 5 because she's little. Do you want to see her? Poppy! Poppy, come! Poppy! Oh, boo-boos! Look, it's your favorite dog bowls. So, she's so good. I'm gonna give her a midnight snack. Baby, do you want your midnight snackies? Oh, look at this. Yeah. Oh my God, it's your favorite bowls. She loves it so much. And it is the easiest thing to clean, people. These are dishwasher safe. Dishwasher safe. And it is, excuse me, boo-boos. It is so easy to make. I made this myself. Best dog bowls on the planet. And moving on. Remember I said I bought something that's gonna make me gorgeous. Look at this cute little case. It turns into 32 makeup brushes. I've never owned this many brushes in my life, and I need them all, people. I mean, who doesn't want a big fan brush? So good. What else do they got? Oh, for girls who have big brows like me, you gotta always just keep them in shape, people. You keep them in shape. What else? Then I have this angled brush to get the perfect black line people get, and then you swap it up. The eyeliner where you do there's like a little angel kick now. It's so popular. I have been getting sick as hell because of my stupid kids. They bring in stuff that my husband brings in stuff. I have elderberry and honey. So you know what I do sometimes at night? I just take a little of this syrup and I put it in my drink, right? So then I'm healthy and I'm drunk. It tastes delicious, people. So thank you, Doba, for making sure that I am healthy all year long. And guess what? Right now they have a special deal, Doba. If you buy, when you sign up, if you buy something for $5, you get it $3 off. If you buy something for $20, you get $7 off. The link is below. You need to check it out now because you should get dope stuff like me. But check out the link. And until later, stay healthy, stay clean, stay dry. Until another episode of Drunken Mom Reviews. Please support me and subscribe, like, and comment.